What the hell is he doing with MCAs?
Okay, is that one that you're calling about?
I'm calling about all of them. So I'm trying to get rid of these MCAs that are drowning him with the weekly. I think they got daily or weekly payback. He makes really good money, and it pisses me off as a loan broker. I'd hate to waste time. But now you see how they even make you look bad in front of the lender. Listen, I want you to pick up on everything. The demeanor, the talk, and all of this. So, a few things. Let me see where we were at. So there's a few things. Number one, I'm still waiting on a few other lenders that I submitted your file to. Looking at this, when I looked at the bank statements, I didn't see any NSFs. And I'm looking at this report that I've gotten from this lender. They were showing had like five, had three, had two. What do you know? Is this like missing payments, or what the hell are they talking about?
So probably what happened was we probably had, because we have, these are operating accounts, so we had to probably move funds in there because they were probably short that day.
Okay. And is it because of the NSF's payback, or what is it?
Yeah, it's all the reasons. Only reasons we have never ever had our accounts ever go into the negative. Until these MCAs.
Okay. So one thing is we got to stop shopping around, because I want you to know it's a small world out there. There's a few lenders that they already had your file. I don't know who you were working with before or something, but they just came back. Hey, we had this, last week or whatever it is, but they denied it for that specific reason. And then, of course, some of them is they just see how many MCAs are stacked up, and they're just walking away. But the solution is still there. As far as our plan. Let me see what am I looking for here? What's that email? As far as our plan, initially, this is what she wasn't talking about, because I had another person that was in that office that gave me this offers. Let me forward this over to you. You sitting in front of your computer right now?
Yes.
Okay. All right. So these are some preliminary numbers that they were sharing with me. Let me know once you get that email.
Okay.
Okay, so it's line of credit. You see kind of each one of them broken down. Yes, there is that rule about that 50% is going to be paying off line of credit. So that's what I was trying to say. Because they were talking about 12 months or 18 months. If that 18 months, use some of those funds, because they offered the 18 months at 100. Hold on one second.
Hello, Brian.
I'm so sorry, man. I am so sorry.
I'm fine. I mean, that being said, I'm not available again till 4 o'clock.
Ow. Yeah, my client talks too much. He's actually on the phone right now. Oh.
I mean, unfortunately, I let people make their own times on my schedule. I got a 2:30 and I got a 3 o'clock. So.
I got you. Well, how about what are you doing at 4 o'clock? You want to do 4 o'clock, or you want to touch base sometime tomorrow, Ronald?
We could do 4 o'clock.
Cause okay.
All right.
I can circle back at 4. I'll circle back at 4. And hey, let's make sure. Are we talking about 4 Eastern?
4 Eastern.
Okay, so that's 3 my time. Okay, cool. That'll work.
I will talk to you gentlemen then.
Thank you so much, sir.
All right, sounds good. Thank you.
Bye. So, as you can see, that's what I'm trying to say. Use funds, pay down, get the line of credit established with them for the 18 months. They fund pretty quickly, because especially with their line of credit, you can easily get this. Today's what? Wednesday. By early next week, Monday or Tuesday, you can have access to the funds. And we can do this whole thing can be all done before the end of next week, meaning can be funded. You use the funds, you give me a payoff statement, we show them payoff statement, you know, showing that if they give us that 100K, we're below that 50%, whatever. And before the end of next week, we can have that, you know, the rest of that money for.
Okay.
Any other statements that are missing that I need to know about?
I guess I gotta give you all the ones for all the other ones too.
Yeah, man. I need all of them.
Yes.
I need them neatly organized on email too, though, so you don't confuse my assistant.
Yes.
But
So I just sent you over. I replied to the one I sent.
okay,
And I sent those over to you just now. Probably about 5-10 minutes ago. For the
I see that. All right, what else? I think that's about it. So we're gonna circle back here in about an hour and a half. Talk about some SBA stuff.
okay. Now, what can I do for funds this week though?
This is because I don't want to get you shitty funds. This is it. This lady right here.
Okay.
You know,
Okay.
or let me see. Hold on a second. Cause hello, Miss Lynn, are you still there? Hey, other than ARF, who else do we have that we're waiting on for a revenue term or line of credit? Cause I think Blue Vine. You already have Blue Vine, right?
Yeah, that's one I want to get rid of. I mean, do they count it as bad?
Blue Vine is that an MCA with Blue Vine? Well, what's the payback on that? Like, are you getting? Is it a factor rate or is it a fixed rate? What kind of product is it?
It's fixed, but it's like 6-month terms.
Okay. Any of these businesses have any judgments?
No.
Because I had another lender came back with various judgments with other financial institutions. I was like, what?
Wait, who?
Actually, specifically.
No, there's no judgments on that I know of. There shouldn't be.
Okay.
What financial you said, or?
I think it just might be some a vague canned response. Miss Lynn, you said who else were we waiting on? How do I spell that? Oh, with okay.
Oh, I heard it.
I think. Did you do something with?
I did not.
Thank you for sending this over. We did. They did approve you for financing recently. That what is it? However, you told them that you took some bank financing.
No, I never spoke.
Okay. All right. To answer your question, as far as what can we done, you know, ASAP, without putting you into a shitty situation.
You know what happened?
Go ahead.
I think I know what happened. It was a company called.
Yeah, I know who that is. Yeah.
Yeah,
They're
they were
broken.
going to try to get me, but I told them I did have financing, and the financing that was supposed to be in place was the one that the team, they sold me the MCA saying I was going to get the other loan.
Gotcha.
But I don't know if they told. That's who I found out about from them. But I never physically spoken, or I never submitted an application.
Let me ask you this: how much this emergency cash that you need by next week? How much are you talking about?
Probably about 20 or 30.
20 or 30. Let me look at that CCP again. What if I was to get you a credit card?
That would definitely help, because with a credit card, I could just take it right off, right?
Yeah. Have you ever heard of Capital on Tap? Have you ever tried them?
What is it called?
Capital on Tap.
No, I have not.
Okay. Because this is the situation. Okay. So clearly we gotta get you out of MCAs. The only fastest person that can get you funded really quickly is MCAs. It's not, if not MCAs, it's credit cards. Credit cards generally right now you have a utilization issue. And at the same time, we don't want to be shopping around because we don't want, like that lady said, you don't want to have a bunch of fucking inquiries, everywhere. Yeah. So it's just we're in a weird position. So it's like we have. This reminds me. I know this sounds stupid. You're gonna get sick of me, but you know how those movies are. It's like an action movie, and you got that guy that only has one shot left in the gun.
Yes.
So, we got,
I feel like it.
So that's what I'm trying to say, because I don't want to mess anything up. We got this one shot. If you really want somebody, because clearly we're gonna get funding from ARF, right? And I think ARF is gonna, at a minimum, help us solve the solution with Can Capital. And we're gonna have at least 100 grand based on the numbers that I'm looking at. We don't want to mess that up, and that's 100 grand, low numbers. If we're really lucky, we helps us fix both and we get both $100,000 line of credit. That's very possible before next week.
Yes.
But as far as right now with this one shot and the trigger, the only thing so you never heard of?
I have not.
I think I want to try them out. They do soft pulls is one thing that I like about them. Now,
okay.
I can, let's see, got 30 minutes, okay. With them, I usually charge %. And so I'll charge you % to whatever you get qualified for.
Okay.
I usually have you sign an agreement and everything like that, but I understand that you need to do something ASAP, and we're trying to develop something long term. So I'm gonna trust your word, and let's see if we can do this right now. You got a few seconds?
Yes.
Okay, so we're gonna do this right now. I'm gonna send you an email, and let me just walk you through this application, and see with them, Capital. They can give you a virtual credit card. So you can use this thing like right now. But this is it though. This is, if they deny us, that's it. We're not doing anything else. This is our bullet. This is our one shot.
Oh shit.
One shot, and we don't want to mess this up. I just sent you an email with their link.
Just like Eminem said, right?
That's it. One shot, one opportunity. And yeah, I got a 2 o'clock, so probably like a good 15 minutes here. Let me, hey, Miss Lynn, you don't have to wait for me anymore. Let me wrap it up with him, and I'll call you back later. All right, thank you. You see that link I just sent to you?
Yes.
Okay. So they offer up to 50 grand. Let me see which corp I suggest we use. Because we gotta be strategic about that too. And by the way, you're okay with %, right?
Yeah, I'm okay with that.
Alright, now let's see here, external. Okay. Which corp do we want to use? Because all of that is gonna matter. Okay. I know we got the most money comes from the car washes, clearly.
No, it's actually. But
You see, okay, but is nah. We don't want to deal with right now. If that looks bad, because they're gonna see all those UCC filings from all of that.
so do they actually do Merchant Cast Advance actually do UCCs too?
Yeah, I can see everything right now. I can see. They have an option to file, and I have a little theory going on in my head that they're trying to develop their own type of like a bureau or something, that they're collecting things that they're sharing amongst themselves. I have a little theory in my head, because I can see the date that you closed it. I can see backed 62, and I wasn't able to see this stuff. They share this stuff with me.
Yes.
Yeah, I can see glow. I can see all of that.
Wow.
But let me know once you get that link. Let's walk through this application real quick. Let's get this decision.
Oh yeah, I'm on it right now actually.
Okay, so we're gonna go LLC, and okay, now we were trying to decide which LLC we're gonna be using.
Yes.
I think if I was you, I'm leaning towards annual sales. I'm leaning towards.
Just put that. looked at Lee real quick, so I only owe 41,000 on these.
Okay. Yeah, it's showing 62 on here.
So
Okay.
that's the number that you needed to know too, as well.
And also keeping in mind that whatever we do right here, we don't want it to mess up what we're gonna do with her.
Yes.
So she says she really likes right? Okay. I think we need.
Is the one that she said she could get funded.
I think we need to leave and the alone. I think we needed to submit as
Okay.
has nothing on it, no loans or anything, right? Why did she not like? Is it because the short time in business?
No, it's because I just did, and that's why I was. When she asked me that, I texted you and I was like, "Guide me." That's the one that we just closed on a loan.
And how much was that? And who was that with?
That was with.
MCA as well, right? And give me the date on that.
Yep. That was probably like last week, to be honest with you.
Okay. All right. I mean, I would say that to use. I don't want to use or none of the because we're gonna use them for her.
Okay.
And I think that she already doesn't like. So
Yeah, she said we gotta wait 30 days.
Yeah, I would say use for capital.
Okay.
Sure.
Alright, so I'm there now. Alright, so just click the link.
Click the link, put it on LOC, fill out the basic info real quick. Let me see what you might need some guidance on. Phone number.
So
Yeah.
go to business credit cards, right?
No, you saw that link I just sent you, right?
Yeah, it brought me back to, it said the credit card built for small businesses.
And then click apply.
Wait a sec.
Click apply now.
Yes, here we go.
And then you're just gonna,
LLC.
yep, LOC, and then run it all the way down.
This is LLC. Let me get the EIN number. Sorry, I'm looking for that EIN number right now.
You're fine. Let me see if I can find it for you.
Oh, I got it right here.
Okay.
Here's the business two. All right, monthly turnover, revenue-wise.
What does it do? You showing on here, right? Annually, so.
Now, for this business, we're doing more.
Okay. So show 'em.
This business here, we're doing 12,000. We're doing more than that. I would say 14,000 a week. 52. We're doing about 720.
Annually? Okay.
Yeah. So divide that by 12. That's 60,000. 61,000 a month. What should we put?
So, round it up. I'll go 65. That's fine. Because I think they're gonna do a bank verification, and this is okay. Let me see what you sent to me.
I'm just thinking on the low end right now. 55 times. On the low end, it's like 58. 58
Monthly?
59. Yeah, 58, 59 a month on the low end.
But we want to go with the high end. Let me see.
Yeah.
Your average,
Yeah.
because my average monthly deposit I calculated for you was 72,000.
Okay, I mean we could go higher.
Because your last 6 months you did 433, so almost a million. Almost a million is what I calculated. Correct.
You sure that's?
That's what I am looking at. Yes. Let me look at the bank statements just to confirm some of these numbers. Financials, bank statements, businesses, LLC. Okay, so Bush did 70,000. My sheet says 70,000 in May. What did do? 75 in May. 75. Yeah, this is.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And you're not even including cash.
No, I'm just looking at the bank statements you sent me. B of A bank statements, J.
You know why? I totally forgot. You know what? I'm looking at net. My bad.
Yeah.
My bad. I'm talking net. That
Yeah.
makes sense.
I would put on that 75 just to round it up.
Okay. Yeah, because what we have a habit of doing in the franchising world, we always talk net because we take out royalties and all that other stuff in
Yeah.
and discounts.
Yeah. No. Because I believe that asks for gross. A couple of them.
Okay.
Yeah.
And now you need, now it's asking for the business phone number. I'm giving them that specific location number, right?
Yep. Doing business man, doing business as. And what is this? What is this? What's the restaurant?
It's another Slotskis.
Okay, so you put the DBA Slotskis on there and find business address, website.
Business address, I got it.
What is on the bank statements?
So that is actually, so the business itself will register to our home address.
Okay, gotcha.
But what address should I put? Should I put
No, the physical business address, the operating address.
All right, so okay, I have that in.
Okay.
And it's going to be food, of course, right? Restaurants and hospitality, hotels, restaurants and hospitality, correct?
Mm-hmm.
And how we like to pay your
Minimum
business credit card.
minimum 10%.
Minimum 10%. All right, guarantor. I put on my name.
Mm-hmm.
How would I? Okay, I did everything.
Okay, so we're at the bottom, right?
Yes.
Okay, let's just double check. Go to the top, make sure everything is filled out correctly. Get business started. The revenue number is really important. The decision comes from there. Of course, make sure social is good, date of birth is good, and hit that apply button. And cross our
And
fingers.
just double checking it real quick. Should I put in the website address? It says optional, but
Nah, not a big deal.
okay. All right, I think I'm good. Hit apply.
Yep.
All right.
Hopefully we get something good here.
Definitely.
So what's the verdict?
It says please bear with us.
Please what?
Circling. It's circling.
I'm starting to be as impatient as you are. Come up. Still circling?
Yeah, it's still circling.
That is a long circle.
That is extremely long. This thing is still circling.
That thing, are you bad? Have you done anything with?
I do have one. One with funny.
What do you think about their products? I know they're pretty expensive.
If it satisfies a need, I'm okay with it. If it's cheap.
Yeah.
Alright, so
What do we got?
I got a decision. And it says we're going to need a bit more time.
That's not a bad decision.
It says, thank you for your application. We just need to check a few more details before we can provide you with a decision. We'll get back to you via email within 2 business days.
Okay. That's not a bad.
Okay.
That's not bad. Yeah, that's not. Let me see. Who did I? Let me check on one thing here. I could have wrong. Yeah, that's pending. Nah, you're good. Yeah, let's go to sleep and see what happens tomorrow. They're definitely gonna get back with you quick. They make the decision really quickly, and as soon as they get you approved, you get an instant access to the line of credit. So that's not a bad decision.
Okay. Was it a line of credit or a credit card?
It's a line of credit, but it's you get like a virtual credit card.
Oh, okay.
That you can tap into it, and you can actually. The reason I say it's a line of credit because you can actually go to the ATM and pull it out, and it's not like a cash advance like a traditional credit card would have. So it's it's a new product. It's soft pull. They base everything off of revenue. you do still personally guarantee it, but it's a line of credit. But they don't wire the funds direct to your account. You can't draw onto it. You just basically use it like a debit card. I wouldn't even use the word credit card, because you can actually get cash from it.
Okay. No, that works. That works. Yeah, I got the email right there. I'll send you over the email that they just sent me.
Okay. Don't submit nothing else. Okay.
I'm not.
Leave it alone. I'm gonna get Lynn to submit what you sent. That I think we were missing. Right?
Yep.
Yeah, we were missing. So, and then let's touch base tomorrow. No, we're touching base here in about an hour, because we still got to talk to
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Yes. Definitely.
All right. Talk to you soon.
All right. Thank you, Brian. I appreciate it, man. I do.
Yeah.
I do.
Nah, no problem at all, man. No problem at all.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah. Just have to get through this hurdle, but we will.
We'll get through it. All right. Talk to you soon.
Yeah. Thanks, Brian.
All right, bye. Anyway, if you stay with me through the end, I appreciate you. I really do. Please go ahead and give me a like to the video, subscribe to the channel, and I guess I should go ahead and pay some bills. Let you know what this video is brought to you by our sponsor, Broker Solutions Academy. There's going to be a link in the description. We work with people that are interested in becoming a business loan broker. We have a very comprehensive business loan broker course, and we're going to be teaching you everything you need to know about how to become a business loan broker. Our mission statement is we help business loan brokers understand and simplify the various funding solutions that are available in the marketplace, so you can properly serve your clients, stop the endless confusion and self-defeating pointless rat race they're currently in, and grow their business while maximizing profits by teaching them how to become a real business loan broker, not just a referral partner. This video is also brought to you by Pennington Consulting Group, and that's where we work directly with entrepreneurs and also business owners to help them get funded. So if you're looking to start, grow, or even expand your current business, Pennington Consulting Group, there's going to be a link in the description where you can go ahead and schedule a time. And like we always say at Pennington Consulting Group, our goal is to help you reach your goal. Again, thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next video.